can't help but imagine me when I was 17. Before necessity affected me, still living out some dream of never standing still. The poison pill I ran from always seemed to be bigger than the destination. The months have blurred and faded, relegated vast majorities of all the games we played, a wild maze of flashing memories. I'd live it all again just to pretend that one of us might see a way. They say nothing gold can stay. We'll be old someday and waste our lives away, waiting for life to get better. Hold or play, we are not okay. We'll waste our lives away, waiting for life to get better. Was our generation's innovation life inside a screen, as if some simulated liberation could ever set us free. We dressed ourselves in chains and still complain about the world we see, but we believe nothing goes.